Welcome to part 73 of Learn Languages. Today we're talking about habits and routines. Specifically, how to talk about things you did regularly in the past and things you do regularly right now. Let's start with used to. Used to describes a past habit that no longer continues. I used to play football every weekend, but I don't play anymore. Life changed. She used to smoke, but she quit 2 years ago. We used to live in a small apartment. To make questions, did you used to watch cartoons? To make negatives, I didn't used to like spicy food. Notice in questions and negatives, drop the D. Used to, not used to with did. Now would for past habits. Would can also express past habits, but only actions, not states. Every summer we would visit my grandparents. After school, I would always have a snack. But you can't use would with state verbs. I would live in London. Sounds wrong for habits. I used to live in London is correct. Now, tend to for present habits and tendencies. I tend to wake up early on weekdays. She tends to worry a lot about small things. People tend to be more productive in the morning. Tend to is softer. It means usually or generally. Let's recap. Used to, past habits, both actions and states. Would, past habit actions only. Tend to, current tendencies. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.